What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to connect a phone to a 2019 Volkswagen Jetta using the Bluetooth. So the Jetta in this video is going to be the R line. Your center screen, your radio may look just a little bit different depending on your Jetta's options. The first thing we want to do if we're not already there is click the phone button right here, and that'll take us to this menu. Now what we want to do is grab our phone. I'm demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones would be similar. Go into your phone settings and go into the Bluetooth. First of all, make sure your Bluetooth is on. And then under devices, we're going to see it pop up as VW BT and then a number behind it. Go ahead and click on that. And now on our screen, it's asking, do we want to connect? Go ahead and click connect. And then we're going to make sure that that PIN number there matches the PIN number on our screen, on our phone screen. And it does, so we'll go ahead and click pair. And then we'll come here and click yes. And now we're connected. This is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'm not going to set any of that up right now. So that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it.